everybody, this is Prajakta Pradeep Kumar Shah. I have completed my engineering from MS Bidway Engineering College in year 2019. Currently I am working with Accenture. After completing my diploma from Puranmal Lahoti Government Polytechnic, my father wanted me to study here itself in Latur, and that time my old teacher, that is Govind Reddy sir, popped up, and he told me about the journey of his daughter, that is Pallavi Reddy Ivaldi, who has passed out her engineering from my college and is now working in France in nanotechnology. Though this college is in small town like Latur, this college has amazing faculties who are very enthusiastic. My HOD, that is Shrikant Tanle sir, has taught me patience and calmness through his gestures in classroom and laboratories, and fitness through his yoga classes that were arranged in college in Porch. Arashive sir has been very friendly and joyous when it comes to advice, but when it comes to career, he is very much strict. I remember Mahesh Patil sir scolding us for copying the code and typing it from the CW. And he used to always say, you want to be a developer, not a typewriter, and that is why we all scored good marks in university exams. Same goes with Swami sir. He's same like Dharashwe sir, very strict when it comes to career, but his comic timing is really phenomenal. I remember Shinde ma'am's and Purnima ma'am's lecture had GATE questions discussed in it, and later on we had extra classes for GATE examination in the morning session. Puza ma'am, Latte ma'am and Shah ma'am have warm and really nurturing personality. In addition to this, I really miss getting chocolates from Khichdi sir, who recently got retired. So I miss real stories related to concepts by Pathan sir. I remember when I was going through my onboarding procedure for Accenture, there was ambiguity regarding CGPA calculation of the mark sheet. But when there was an issue, Kokane sir, Kadam sir and Khanapure sir were there to resolve that issue, and even my CSE department assured me with a letter of justification if needed. I was graduated by then, but still this team was working for their ex-student despite of their hectic schedule. Not only my department, but I got opportunity to work with other HODs and other department while I was volunteering for our seniors placement. For welcoming guests, we needed extra trays. We went to Vipul Shah sir, who is HOD of electronics department, though his lab assistant who was taking care of these things was absent on that day, but still he collaborated and managed to get us for it. Similarly, we wanted more labs as there were last moment entries for the drive. HOD of IT, that is Birajdas sir, immediately hand over us the keys of their labs of IT department. I feel immensely privileged and blessed to get guidance from Principal Khatod sir, Halali sir and Mohite sir. This journey from college to corporate would not be possible without my college and my teachers.